Hey guys, Ron here. Did a little more organization around here. Still in wreck. Got to add another table on the end there, and did some cable management. Got to do some cable management. Got an outlet strip going, but that's not what this is about. Let's check it out. Oh, it's got typical glass box. Doesn't feel like the weight of glass. So what do we got? We got composition use of flexible patch platforms, back adhesive. Oh, it's the magnetic. It's the magnetic build surface. So let's see what they said. Oh, I get it. So this is a magnetic, and this is the build tech, or whatever you want to call it. Nice. And it's got the other magnetic piece that you stick to the aluminum bed. It's got a stick because aluminum doesn't work with magnets, of course. So yeah, this is nice. I like this. We're going to use this. This is nice. And the texture on this one is really nice, very flexible, but it really has a nice feel to it. Which is nice because I'm telling you, lately this bed, the way I've been using it, it really sticks tight, and I don't like trying to scrape it off of there because it puts a lot of strain on the bed itself. So, and puts things out of alignment. So this will be great because then you can flex it. You know, you can remove your item with the pad and flex it and just remove it beautifully. I've been using the glass for a couple of reasons. The big glass, because you need really thick clips, and it changes the height of the bed and my adjustments, and I need that little extra bit of room, that little extra play. So that's what I'm doing. And these screwdriver holders are the ones I printed the other day. Alright guys, so we got it on there, and that's nice. I'm going to have to adjust my heights now because I've increased by about, I don't know, a couple of millimeters probably. But this is nice. No clips, no nothing, plenty more workspace, and this stuff sticks really well. And when it's time to get it off, they just take the whole thing off and just flex a little bit and pull it right off. And you do it while it's warm, don't do it cold. Alright, so I did a really quick level. I don't do much of a level, I just use a sheet of paper quick, 4 corners and center, just get the center levels like best. And then I do the rest by eye. So doing a quick print. And this guy to warm up. Should be ready. Let's see how she goes. I'm going to add the runout filament sensor, which I haven't done yet, and the metal extruder top, but everything's working so well I don't want to mess with it right now. Just keep running great. Don't fix what ain't broke. The supports came out great. I decided not to cap the holes in the side and use the T-clips because they're plenty strong. So I don't have to tap and drill it, which is great. So I decided I want to do something different. Alright guys, now. Hey guys, when a piece of mechanical equipment is making music like that, it basically means it's resonating in harmony. The filament's not fighting the nozzle, the extruder's not fighting the filament. It's just resonating properly within mechanical things. A finely tuned engine will do that too. When you crank it over by hand, you can hear the valves ticking, and they don't tick, they play music too. That's a good sign. So this just finished. Let's see what we got. It's such a small piece. I just really didn't even have to bend the surface that much. But what a difference in pounding with a scraper on the bed. That really bugs me. So this is a wonderful thing. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was like $22, 26 bucks from CREALITY, something like that. But it's a wonderful piece. Great to have. Alright guys, we'll see you guys later on the next project.